All right, guys, so today in class we talked about adding integers on the number line. That was our target, so we're going to be drawing number lines for everything today. So a couple things that we need to remember is anytime that we see these negative signs on the number line, that tells us that we need to think backwards, like we're going backwards on the number line, or to the left. Anytime we see our positive signs, that tells us that we're going to be moving forwards, or that we're going to go to the right. Okay. Really important thing is when we're starting our addition problem on the number line, we're always going to start at 0. Okay, we're going to start at 0 and then it'll tell us whether we're going forwards or backwards. So let's take a look at example 1 here. We have -2 plus 7. Like I said, we're going to start at that 0, but first I see that we have a -2. So we know we're going to go backwards 2 spaces. So then we have a +7, and our +7 says from there, go forward 7. So we're going to go forward 7. When we go forward 7, we're at our final spot, and we have that +5 is our answer. Okay, all right, let's take a look at example 2. Example 2, we have +5 plus -4. Again, it's important that we're always going to start at that 0. So we're going to start at 0, and then we see that it's a +5. So that means we're going to go from there, we're going to go forward 5 spaces. Next, we see a -4. -4 tells us that we're going to go back 4. So from that spot, we're going to go back 4 spaces, and we land at +1. So our answer is 1. All right, let's make it a little harder. Still starting at 0, that's super important. But look at this problem. We have 4 different components. So we just have to keep up with where we're at on the number line. Again, we're going to start at 0, and we see that we have a -4. Our -4 tells us to go back 4 spaces. Then we see a +9. So from the -4, we're going to go 9 spaces to the right, or forward 9 spaces, and we're at +5. Next, we have a -2. So from there, we're going to go back 2 spaces, and we're at +3. And then last but not least, we see a +3. So from there, we're going to go forward 3 spaces, and we're going to end at +6. So our answer is +6.